In this video, I will show you how to change buttons on Google Sites. Open your Google Sites and head over to the Insert section on the right panel. Scroll down until you see the button option. Click on button. Enter a name for your button. For example, Contact Us. Add the link you want the button to lead to. Then click Insert. Once the button appears on your site, you can drag and drop it wherever you want it to appear on your page. Now, click on the button you have added to select it. Now, click on the Themes tab from the right side menu. You will see different color options and styles based on the theme you have chosen. Pick a color or style that fits your website design. That's it. You have successfully added and customized a button on Google Sites. If this video helps, like, share, and subscribe.